Miss Alexa, come on up.
So listen up. In BSD, we believe in celebrating the incredible dedication and hard work of our amazing staff.
Today, we have something truly special to share with you.
I also wanted Mr. Lyle to know that he is being honored today as one of our BSD Achiever winners for the month of January for all of his hard work and dedication to all of you at Bonny Slope. So big round of applause for Mr. Lyle.
Miss Alexa has been selected as one of our January BSD Achiever winners. Yeah, congratulations.
We're thrilled to announce that your outstanding student behavior specialist and AVID coordinator, Ms. Semon, has been selected as one of our January BSD Achiever winners. Give her a round of applause. In his 20 nominations, staff described Lyle as the epitome of a professional and an absolute gem. Her patience, attentiveness, and commitment to ensuring that our son feels both safe and included in his school environment are qualities that mean so much to our family. She has been such a special part of my journey, always there for me, first as a student who needed guidance and now as a colleague who still looks up to her. Lyle doesn't just maintain a building, he creates a community.
And this plaque was made by our students at BASE, one of our programs. So this is made by students for you to celebrate this honor.
Banner that you can hold in the office. You have a really special lanyard that you can carry now on.
Thank you.
Congratulations.